I'm gonna be making a slime video, and first I'm gonna show you one of the slimes that we already made. This is a glow-in-the-dark slime. And I'm gonna be making a slime. I'm gonna do maybe this dark blue color. So first I gotta open it. If I know where the opening is. There we go. So I got the opening. It's already made. I just have to put the ingredients in and I have to massage it. So it's a Jello slime. Ooh. Okay. There. Here's what it looks like. Sorry. Here's what it looks like. It's really squishy. And now I gotta knead it with my hand. I'm just gonna go. Kind of like, I push it with my thumb right there, and I stretch it as I'm doing that. It looks like Jello. Blah, 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 blah. And I just stretch it. It's almost done, I think. I'm pretty sure, yeah. A little bit more stretching. Gotta be patient. And it's red. This is really pretty blue. Blah, 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 blah. Daddy, it turned off.
It's still recording, don't worry.
It did?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh. So, this, and then I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. So you just gotta put it like that. You just wanna that and then you just go like that to make it like a circle, so the like the stuff like foam or something can go in the middle. And these are actually molds, so you can mold them. My favorite one is a starfish. I think I might do some rainbow foam.
I don't want to put sauce on it yet.
Okay. Pat it. Got on the parchment paper, not in the slime. So, there's like different sizes. There's big sizes, little sizes. So, I'm just gonna put, and then go like this, and get a little bit, and just sprinkle it on. Oh, it's not flattened. I thought I flattened it. Okay. So, make it a circle. If I can. There we go. And grab a little bit, probably like that much, and just sprinkle it on. I'm probably gonna do a little bit, but I need a little more because there's not that much foam. So I'm just gonna massage it in. They're falling out. Okay. Now we have 2 foam slimes. And sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And massage, massage, massage. And I didn't get it in yet. That's what it looks like. Oh. It looks like Jello, but with rainbow foam in it. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Maybe a little more. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay. Close it up. Oh. It's closed. See? Closed. Good. Now I'm just gonna fold it halfway again, and fold it halfway, and I'm just gonna massage. Maybe I put a little bit of glitter in it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter in it. Maybe like this blue color. Yeah, blue and blue go good together. Or maybe some pink. I'm gonna do blue. So, just gotta open it very carefully so that it doesn't spill everywhere. Oh, this is gonna be hard to open. Okay. Oh, that's how I open it. Okay. Oh. Okay, maybe not this glitter. It's not coming out good. It's like twist. I don't know how to open this, so we're not gonna do glitter. We can maybe put glow in the dark. No, I already have glow in the dark slime. I don't want to glow in the dark blue slime. Kind of weird. Well, not weird, but like, you know what I mean. Should we put a little bit of unicorn skin? Maybe some purple unicorn skin? Yeah, we should do some purple unicorn skin. We haven't done unicorn skin in any of my slimes, even though I only did 2. Well, sorry, 3. 3, but now it's gonna be 4. That's just a little bit, and we're just gonna do a little bit. I got this kit at on Christmas, which it's Christmas Eve right now, so because my grandma and grandpa were over, and my grandma gave this to me. And, oh, you can't really see the unicorn skin. Well, kind of. It's fine. So, it keeps on falling out. And I made my blue slime. Blue with, here, 1 second. It is blue slime, and it's kind of clear, and it has rainbow flown beads. And it has purple unicorn skin, whatever it's called. Who cares? And that is the end of my video. Goodbye.